So the brand new Trello is here, and I've heard many echoes over the last couple of weeks about it, and today we've partnered with Trello to bring you the news and latest features. So thanks to Trello for sponsoring this video. So what Trello wants to do with this brand new release is rethink task capture, improve workload management, and boost your productivity with the help of artificial intelligence. So let's run down all the new features and get to grips with what's new. So the first thing to start with is the inbox. So this is a way to not just capture emails, but also Slack items, Microsoft Teams, and voice notes as well. Now everything appears in this bottom modal. It means you can not just open the window as you've got items in from the board, so you can drag stuff between and put them into lists, but you can also do it the other way around too. Thanks to this navigation bar at the bottom, go into a full screen inbox view too. This is really perfect when you're trying to capture tasks and organize where they go. So the next big feature that Trello are introducing is a planner mode. This is incredibly valuable for focus time. It allows you to bring items in wherever they may be into one view for later. So this is perfect for those who love calendar view, which means you can block out your entire day and it just looks fantastic. You can connect with your calendar too, so you can see all things in one place. So Trello introduces updated iOS and Android apps with this release. Offline mode is here and it comes with native apps, meaning you get widgets and offline mode for easy access on the go. And the final item is you can sync your Jira tickets within your Trello boards, which makes it really easy to use and allow you to keep tickets updated in real time. Mirroring cards is also a fantastic feature inside of Trello, which makes being able to sync a card and keep in touch with a specific card really, really helpful. So you're one click away from the brand new Trello. You can get started free today below. So let's round off all the features that are brand new. Trello wants to help your chaotic to-do list by refining it, allowing you to capture stuff and see your calendar and boards in one location. It creates a visually intuitive and fun way to work and helps you to boost your productivity for busy knowledge workers. What I really like about this release is you can see all three windows at once or choose a window of choice, which makes it really much more attractive. So you can find Trello below, and a big thanks to them for partnering with us with this partner news release. So that's the new Trello and you can check it out below.